Welcome back, Kings and Queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today, I just want to show you how you can design in Canva and upload into Cricut just to make a cut file. A lot of people don't realize you can make your own basic like SVG cut files without having to either save it as an SVG or what have you. So I'm just going to use this one that is already done, but I'm going to change the wording. We'll just go with Real Love, a throwback song. So we'll put Real Love, and so you can change. You can keep this as whatever color you want because this piece is really not going to matter. So we already have the wording up here. I just used a simple template on the side, and I got to this just from the home screen in Canva, just to back up a little bit. So if you don't know where I am, if you go to your home screen in Canva, you can click Create a Design at the top, and you can click Custom Size, and you can pick whatever size. Now I'm using 8.5 by 11, which is the standard paper size. So I have the plain sheet of paper here. I went to my text over on the side, and I just used the font that was already sitting over here on the side as a font combination list. So I just changed the wording to say Real Love, and now I'm just going to save it. So I'm going to click the share button at the top. I am going to click download, and you'll see the PNG, suggested PNG file. So I'm going to download it as a PNG file. Then the next thing I'm going to do is go to Canva and go to Cricut and upload it. So I went to Cricut. I clicked on New Projects. I clicked my upload button here, and then I chose the file that I just saved. Now I'm going to click Complex, and I'm going to clean up my background. So anything with white space, I'm going to clean that up because I know I want to tell my machine not to try to cut that. So I'm just going to clean all these spots. If it's a spot that you can't get to, you can click the % button down here and enlarge it to make sure that you can get into all those intricate spots if you have something that's intricate. You can also preview your cut image up top by clicking it, and it will let you know how it's going to look. So if you had anything in there that was dark, you could go back and clean it up to make sure it cuts the way you want it to cut. So now I'm going to click Apply and Continue. Now I have a choice. I can do Print Then Cut, which will let it come out in this color, or I can save it as a cut file, which essentially is basically your SVG file. You can cut your vinyl this way. So I'm going to upload it as that. And so there you have it. Real Love here. And now I'm going to click that, and I'm going to add it to my canvas. So here it is. Now this is what I was telling you guys in my other video. I've come to know this recently when I upload things into my Cricut Canvas. Yeah, Cricut Canvas. My adjustment box is unlocked. And so if you want to keep it at the same proportion when you make your changes to the height and width, just lock it. And so now everything will still stay in the same proportion. So if I change it down to a 5, it's going to adjust it so it all stays the same. If I didn't do that, I'll show you what happens. Just clicking the undo button just so I can show you guys really quickly what will happen if you don't do it. So I have it unlocked, so I'm just going to change it to a 9 just because, you know, it's acting crazy. But so if I change it to the 9 and it's not locked, it's going to distort it, so it's not going to change it to the same proportions. Now if that's what you want, fine. you know, do what you want. But if that's not what you want, just be sure that you keep it to the sizing that you want it. So there you go. You can adjust it to any height and width that you want, but if you keep it locked, it'll keep everything in proportion for you. So when you do that, you can now click Make It. And I'm not actually making this design tonight. I just wanted to show you guys. But now you can, you know, create it at any font color you want. Cut it out, maybe some heat transfer vinyl, and iron it on a shirt. And there you go. So you can create something in Canva, send it over to Cricut, and have your own SVG cut file. So I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.